guys, so we're just going to go ahead and do this vlog style. So I picked up some carrots. These are just the organic whole carrots. I really like putting these in smoothies as well as giving them to my dog because he loves carrots. Got 2 artichokes just to cook up. I really love artichokes. They're super good with some butter. Got some Honeycrisp apples, some organic applesauce. I like to put this in my dog's Kong toy that I freeze, and then like he loves to just like lick it whenever like we're out of the house or anything. I got some garlic, some spaghetti, 2 things of tuna. I love tuna sandwiches, so good. Got some strawberry jelly, some wild pink salmon. This is really good if you make like salmon cake out of them. They're like so good. If you guys want a recipe video on that, I can definitely do that for you guys. I picked up this salsa. This is my favorite salsa from Trader Joe's. It's the salsa authentica, and it is just so good. I picked up 2 things of honey. I really love honey in my tea. This is for my mom. This is Concord grape juice. She likes that. I got this soup from, of course, Trader Joe's. Duh. Trader Joe's haul. Organic tomato and roasted red pepper soup. It is so good, especially on a cool fall day. Picked up some green tea, some crackers, some of these 3 seed crackers, some apple cider, some sparkling water. This is the grapefruit flavor. It is my favorite. Picked up just some marinara sauce for some eggplant parm that I'm going to make this week. 2 kombuchas for tummy health. I picked up some teeny tiny avocados. These are my favorite. Oh no, these are not teeny tiny. Oh, I just got regular. Oh no, these are teeny tiny avocados because I love avocado toast. Picked up some red potatoes. I love roasting these with some rosemary and making them like rosemary roasted potatoes. They are so good, you guys. You definitely have to try that out. Some organic baby kale for salads. Some chives for a recipe I'm making. Some string beans. I love just putting some string beans in a pan with some olive oil and lemon juice and salt and pepper. Oh my god, so good. I picked up some blueberries, some strawberries, some Luna sweet tomatoes. Oh, almost dropped them. Some grape tomatoes. If you guys have never tried these grilled chicken strips from Trader Joe's, they are so good. And it's just like little chicken strips. All you have to do is heat them up and you can toss them in a salad, in a wrap, whatever. They are so good. I picked up some chicken breasts from Trader Joe's as well. Some mozzarella cheese. I love this jasmine rice so much. You just put it in the microwave and it takes 3 minutes and it is delicious. I love romaine for salad, so I always get romaine hearts. I picked this up. This is an organic for some vegetable medley. I'm going to add this to some chicken and dumplings that I'm going to make this week. Got some of this Greek yogurt. This is actually for my mom because I have a few in the fridge. And then I have this butternut squash mac and cheese. I've never tried it, but I heard really good things about it. So I'm excited to try that out. And then lastly, I just picked up some butternut squash. But yeah, guys, that is my Trader Joe's haul for this week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And let me know your Trader Joe's favorites down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.